Morning everyone. I'm getting ready to go out. I've got my gym pants on already. I'm not going to the gym, but we're going to go for a walk. We're going to get on the ferry and go to North Shields because apparently the metros for Sunderland and Newcastle are going to be full because the matches are on. So I'm just getting quickly ready. Martin said he's given us a timer, and if I don't get ready in time, we're not going out. So I need to be quick. I'm just sticking some quick stuff on. Found this little match. It's just something comfy and quick, and I can put my Converse on with them. There we'll go. I like Gymshark. I used to get a lot of Gymshark stuff when I was actively at the gym and doing like the fitness class. Really good gym gear, and it wasn't expensive, so I don't mind that. Now, do I wear them or do I wear me Converse? Probably have a short coat. Oh no, I don't know. This is where the video gets long. Anyway, before I decide that, get me here. Get some cream on. I'm doing Neutrogena today because I feel like I might need a lift. So I'm using this one today. What? Lovely Neutrogena Hydro Boost, and look what's behind me. Oh God, that feels so good. God, that feels so good. It feels amazing. I think I might have a little bit more just because I can. Have I got another tub? Oh, I don't think I have. Have I? Oh dear. I haven't got any more, have I? No, I haven't. I'm going to have to buy some more. Oh, God, it feels so good. It feels amazing. It wakes you right up. I'm not putting anything on today other than a bit of mascara because I'm keeping it fresh. Just in a hurry. He's nearly finished washing his hair. I promised him I'd be 10 minutes. So I've got something again, which is fun. I want to keep away from everyone, get some fresh air, lots of walking. I'm even thinking of making an onion soup. So if I do an onion soup with Gruyere on the top and some French crusty bread or some tiger bread, I'm fancying that. And I think the onions, although I'm going to stink, I think that's going to really help. And then Martin's good at doing chicken soup. So I'm going to get a recipe for a nice French onion soup, and I'm going to do that. I just fancy it. Nice thick French onion soup. And do you do chicken stock in it? I don't know. I'm going to have a look. I'm excited now. That's all I'm fancying eating. Loads of onions and garlic. So I'm clearly got something nasty. But we'll get rid of it. I'll get on top of it. Won't we? I'll lift these lashes right up. Oh, got a little bit in there. Feel like I've had something for the last few months. I know a lot of you have said the same, like it's just getting back to back colds. So something weird's going around, isn't it? I'm gonna put a bit of this on. Or or might be a bit much, but she'll have a look. Just a little bit. Because it stays all day, you know. I quite like that. Oh, and it tastes nice. Oh, go on then. Don't mind if I do. Oh, nice pop of colour. Quite like that. Hello, who's that?
She's Megan.
Is it?
Yes.
It's Rachel. She's funny. Rachel, tell them what you did. I was getting ready in my room and I had my bra on. She's a funny, innit? Hello.
Good. Hello. I was standing over the door. She's having a tap on. I was admiring her from the back. I turned into a bit of a creepy Tam around here. I love these girls. I mean, really.
You're so funny. You make me so much laugh, honestly.
I know.
Hey, what you doing today?
Chill day today.
Chill, I don't blame you.
Chill day today.
Do you like me thing?
Yes, I do like it.
Yeah?
Yes.
We're gonna, so for the lives, I'm gonna put it like here, like so. And I'm gonna get changed behind it, because we're not allowed to be nude on a live.
No.
A bang. Hello, what do you think? So you're literally in the changing room with us. Do you like it? I had this idea. I mean, it
Sounds good to me.
It won't be as muppety as that, will it?
No, it won't be like that.
A little bit more sophisticated.
Yeah.
What do you think of the lipstick?
I like.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Put the
definitely.
colour, 'cause I changed that
Different.
up.
Very
Yeah?
nice.
Yeah. See? Martin said I wouldn't get ready in time, and I have!
That's so happy.
Yes, I have. There we go. Oh, and guess what? Rachel, have you seen where Michaela put the doll?
In your bed.
Now I was looking for it this morning. I was in here, I didn't see it. It's in bed. Funny. Now it's my turn to hide it. I'm trying to think where I'm going to do it. I've had some really funny ideas, but it's whether they'd work. Somebody mentioned putting it in the bed with a wig on, so we did that. So thank you. You'll know who you are. You mentioned it on the... I might have been on one of the pictures. I don't know. Man, are you ready? Hurry up, I'm waiting for you.
What do you mean you're waiting for us?
I'm waiting for you.
Oh, been in the shower, man.
Well, you said to hurry up. Are you done yet?
Yes.
Come on. They're
What?
waiting for you.
Bloody hell. Morning, everybody.
Do you like?
I think you've passed your germs on. Yeah, very nice.
Very funny, I have not.
I think you have.
It's
Thank
a
you.
bit quick, you're lying.
You've
You've
spread
had
your love.
extra germs from somewhere else.
All right.
So yours are different germs to mine.
Oh, they had to be, didn't they? Yours were special.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You wouldn't catch mine that quick anyway, you liar.
Morning, everybody. Hope you're all doing well.
Look where the doll is.
Oh, they've put it to sleep, have they? I've got an idea for that thing, I'll
I
tell
was
you.
telling them, I said, you're not going to tell me
No,
though.
absolutely not. You can all find her. Right, you ready, missus?
Yes, I'm ready. I've been waiting for you.
I'm ready. Let's
Good,
go.
good.
Let's do this.
What trainers shall I wear?
Whatever you want. What vans have you got?
No, they're Rachel. She wants us to sell them for her.
Right, okay.
I don't like Vans.
Where are your Converse?
Converse.
Yeah.
Yeah, good idea. Right, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no worries. Right, see you in a
Thanks.
bit.
See ya. Martin! You filthy animal! Did you hear that? Oh, I've got to walk through that.
Good luck. You'll need a machete.
Right. Oh, what perfume. Speaking of perfume, get rid of your smell.
Yeah, I'll just swallow.
You stink. Bath and Body Works. Have a bit of that pink pineapple or something. Yep, pink pineapple sunrise to go with the lips. Ooh, right. Pooh, I can smell you.
Smell you later.
Right. Oh, I need to brush my hair, don't I? I'm going to just tie it up today. So it's not a fashion show today. I'll get it all tied up. There we go. It's a bit...
Said you were ready.
I'm ready? Right, I'll say... Have a good day, you lot. I hope you enjoy. We're going to go over at North Shields Fish Quay. Might have some chips, some battered sausage, and I might chuck him in the river where he belongs.
Yeah.
What?
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 Yeah.
See you later. Zoom, zoom. Bye.